Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 19th, 2025, and we're diving into Viking's second quarter 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Viking has delivered a robust set of results this quarter, and I'm excited to break it down for our viewers.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Viking reported a total revenue of $1,880.4 million for the second quarter of 2025, marking an 18.5% increase compared to the same period last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is primarily driven by increased capacity passenger cruise days, higher occupancy rates, and improved revenue per passenger cruise day. Viking's strategic expansion of its fleet and the addition of new ships have significantly contributed to this performance.
And how about profitability?
Viking's adjusted EBITDA rose by 28.5% to $632.9 million, reflecting strong operational efficiencies and cost management. Net income also saw a substantial increase to $439.2 million, up from $159.8 million in the previous year, highlighting the company's effective execution of its growth strategy.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Viking's adjusted earnings per share came in at $0.99, which aligns perfectly with the forecasted EPS of 99 cents based on a survey of 6 analysts. John, what does this tell us about Viking's performance this quarter?
This alignment with analyst expectations indicates that Viking is delivering consistent and predictable financial results. Meeting the EPS forecast is a positive sign for investors, as it reflects the company's ability to manage costs and drive profitability in line with market expectations.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Viking's gross margin increased by 22.3%, and the net yield rose to $607. Occupancy was also strong at 95.6%. John, how do these metrics reflect on Viking's operational efficiency?
These metrics are indicative of Viking's robust operational efficiency. The increase in gross margin and net yield suggests that Viking is effectively managing its costs while maximizing revenue per cruise day. High occupancy rates further demonstrate the strong demand for Viking's offerings.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Viking?
Viking's future looks promising, with 96% of its 2025 capacity already sold and significant advance bookings for 2026. The company's focus on expanding its fleet and introducing new itineraries, such as those in India, positions it well for continued growth and margin expansion.
Leadership insights and strategic initiatives. Viking's leadership has been vocal about the company's performance and strategic direction. CEO Torstein Hagen mentioned the strength of their business model. John, can you elaborate on this?
Certainly. CEO Torstein Hagen highlighted the company's robust business model, which is evident in their strong financial results and the successful delivery of new ships like the Viking Vesta and Viking Amman. This expansion is part of their long-term growth strategy, which is clearly paying off.
And what about the CFO's perspective?
Leah Talactac, Viking's CFO, emphasized the positive momentum reflected in their advance bookings. She also mentioned the company's commitment to growth through capacity expansion and new travel experiences, which are key to driving top-line growth and long-term margin expansion.
Key takeaways. In summary, Viking has delivered a strong performance in the second quarter of 2025 with impressive revenue growth, profitability, and operational efficiency. The company's strategic initiatives and leadership insights suggest a promising future. John, any final thoughts?
Viking's ability to meet EPS expectations and its strong advance bookings for future seasons are clear indicators of its solid market position. Investors should keep an eye on Viking as it continues to expand its fleet and enhance its offerings.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Viking's performance in the comments below. Until next time,